Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to pay off your student loans faster. Student loan debt can be overwhelming, but there are ways to pay it off faster and save money in the long run. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The first and most obvious way to pay off your student loans faster is to make extra payments. This means paying more than the minimum amount due each month. By doing so, you can reduce the amount of interest you pay over the life of the loan and pay it off faster. Another way to pay off your student loans faster is to refinance them. Refinancing involves taking out a new loan with a lower interest rate to pay off your existing loans. By doing so, you can lower your monthly payments and pay off your loans faster. The debt avalanche method is a strategy where you pay off your highest interest rate loans first. By doing so, you can save money on interest and pay off your loans faster. To use this method, make minimum payments on all your loans except the one with the highest interest rate. Then, make extra payments on that loan until it's paid off, and move on to the next highest interest rate loan. The debt snowball method is another strategy for paying off your student loans faster. This method involves paying off your smallest loans first, regardless of interest rate. By doing so, you can build momentum and motivation as you see your debts disappear one by one. To use this method, make minimum payments on all your loans except the smallest one. Then, make extra payments on that loan until it's paid off, and move on to the next smallest loan. If you have federal student loans, you may be eligible for income-driven repayment plans. These plans base your monthly payments on your income and family size, which can lower your payments and make it easier to pay off your loans faster. In conclusion, paying off your student loans faster may seem daunting, but it's possible with the right strategies. Whether you make extra payments, refinance your loans, use the debt avalanche or snowball method, or consider income-driven repayment plans, there are ways to save money and pay off your loans faster. Remember, every extra dollar you pay toward your loans can make a big difference in the long run. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.